All right, hi you guys, this is Miss Bowles. One last time, I want to talk to you all about incomplete work. We have quite a few people who have not completed assignments over the last 4 weeks. So I'm giving you one last opportunity to get these assignments done, and I need them done. I'm putting a deadline on it by next Friday, October 9th at 5 p.m. So you have until today, until next Friday at 5 p.m. and we're off school on October 9th. So there's no reason why you can't get them done on Friday. So whether you're on campus or whether you're in person, it is your responsibility to go in and do these assignments in Schoology. So I know the students are used to going to B-Bowls 1, but that course has been taken away from them. Now they need to actually go into their math course or their science course. So I'm going to show you basically when they log in, they're only going to see one of the other. So this is just a variety for me. But if they're in the 403 class, they're only going to see 403. If they're in the 404 class, they'll only see 404. And for science, they'll only see science. So if I click in there, they're looking for the red incomplete work folder. They'll need to scroll and see, do they see their name? If they do, that means that's their folder they need to work in. But that also means if it says everyone in the class needs to complete it, then everybody will need to click on that link and complete that assignment. Then they'll need to look for the CCA retest. They'll need to look here and see is their name there. And if so, they need to log in and complete the retest. Now let's go to 404. Same thing. You'll go to incomplete work. They'll look for their name, and those are the people who will need to complete that assignment. Then we go to science. Same thing for incomplete work. They'll need to look for their name. So again, the deadline to complete any assignment is Friday, October 9th by 5 p.m. And if they do not complete these assignments, you will receive a 0 for that assignment if you have not turned in anything. Or if it's the retest and you do not go back and do the retest, you will get the original grade. So again, I just wanted to show everybody what you need to do between now and next Friday. So everyone will need to click into their course and see if their name is there, if they have any missing assignments in math and science, math and science, math and science. That's the only place you need to look for your incomplete work for me. The deadline again this Friday at 5 p.m. Have a great evening.